So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you
how you can quickly fix the issue of overexposed videos that are recorded from iPhone, that are HDR videos or something like that. Now if any video seems like to be overexposed to you, how you can fix that? Now in order to fix it, just simply click on this option of file over top left corner, then click on project settings. Now here in the project settings you need to go to this option that says color management. In here you'll see this option that says timeline color space and output color space. Now both of here you need to select some settings, like you can walk in through multiple settings. Like if you want, like let's say if you go with recording 2020 rec 2020, and make sure to make changes in the both of these options. And once you do it, now check if your issue has been solved, and if it does not, simply come back again and change some other settings related to that. Now if you try to do it multiple times, you will find some setting that will definitely gonna self fix your issue. Now just make sure that you apply same color space on both of these options.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.